What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Today, the Mojito. Die another day. Let's do it. I just watched Scarface like 3 days ago. So I've got the voice down. I could eat a horse. I kill for fun. Die another day. Most people think die another day is no good. Sucks. It's good for like the first 45 minutes to an hour. Right after the Mojito scene truly is when it goes downhill. I mean, mojitos are fantastic. You got Halle Berry in a bathing suit. Pierce Brosnan making innuendo after innuendo.
Magnificent view.
It's got everything you need. Everything you need in one scene. Then after that, you got the guy with the diamonds in his face, and just the whole face change is stupid. But the drink is fantastic. It's actually my personal favorite, the Mojito.
Mojito?
From Havana. What's wrong, sacarla? So we're gonna make Mojito tonight. Today. Got a guest star. Hey, guest star. Funny story. I went out the other day to get this mint. Yeah, peep the shirt too. When in Rome, Havana. Actually, they filmed that in Spain. What are you gonna do? I went out to get this mint, and it was the only thing I needed. And then I was like, wait, I actually need rum too. So I go into the store, I'm behind this woman and like her mom. And when I mean woman, I mean like 40. And then like her mom, like 80. And she's like dicking around, looking around. And I'm like, you know, I just need some mint. So she starts walking, and then she keeps looking behind her like I'm a predator. Look at my shirt. I haven't scared anybody in my entire life. So I'm like, you know, I'll pass her. And then she eventually is just like, I almost got my ass kicked by a woman and her mother for this mint. So then eventually she sees me grab mint and rum and thinks, oh, he's a drunk. It's 11 a.m. He's a drunk on a, Tuesday or whatever it was. You really got to drink water right this second. So we need a knife. Okay, there's a few different ways, a few different orders to do things. But, and these limes are like little limes. They're so small. So we're gonna do this slightly different. But we're gonna start by kind of slicing up a lime into wedges here. And depending on how many wedges this makes by size, yeah, so it's only gonna give us like about 4. You know what, yeah, this is what we'll do. So we'll start with 3 lime wedges. Jesus. 3 lime wedges in our glass. I lied. We're gonna start with the mint. So I've already plucked the mint. See, it's kind of like a cooking show. Here's what it looked like before. Here's what we actually use. So I've got about 8 here. So we'll put the mint in to the glass. And then we'll do 3 lime wedges to start. And we will muddle properly. Damn, this might not have been the right move here. It's kind of a lot of lime. Let me try to move this around a little bit here. Try to help out our cause. That's working all right. There we go. There we go. Muddle it around. I mean, it already smells fantastic. This is truly my favorite drink. That is not for the video sake. This is my favorite drink by far. We only see Bond drink it once too, which is a bit of a bummer. So, muddled. Now, a spoonful of sugar, Mary Poppins. Okay. Bang. We'll do just a hair more because Who gives a shit? Next, you want like another wedge or two. This is actually a very easy drink to make. It's just more so having the ingredients available to ye. So yeah, we'll do 2 more wedges. Do it like that this time. Muddle again. Get these juices going. You don't want to muddle it too much because then it gets a little bitter from the actual skin there. So there's that. So next, bang. We will fill the glass to the top with ice. Bang. What the f***? Okay. All right. You know, in the videos I watch online, people have this nice see-through ice. I've got this white shitty ice. God, can't just be nice, right? Okay. So next, 2 ounces white rum. I wanted to get Havana Club. That's a Cadillac. But I couldn't find it, which kind of pissed me off. So 2 ounces. We're gonna do 2.5 ounces. That's how we do it here. We just don't care. There you go. And then the rest to the top, club soda. To the top. Get over the ice, get the ice to melt just a tad. And now, mix. We mix. Get this stuff to move around here, nice. Come on. Make your presence known. There we go. Look at that. It's like we're in Florida or Havana with a Cadillac. There you go. Bang. Mojito. Last but not least, we'll garnish with a little lime. Trying to make it nice, even though I cut the edges off. Garnish with a lime. Maybe we'll throw another mint in there. You know, what do you want to do? Garnish with a lime. It's a Cadillac. It's a mojito. Bang. Mojito. All right, let's try it. Probably the simplest and quickest to make. I guess. Maybe not. What we've done so far. But I hope it's good because honestly, I don't make these at home. I only get them when I'm on vacation or whatever the case may be. So let's try it. I hope it's good because if it is, then we have a problem. Then I am going to be a drunk because I'm going to be making this on Mondays. That's really good. Now, I think the only thing I need to do is just kind of mix this a little more. Get everything kind of up to the top. And I think one other thing I would do, just to criticize myself here, you know, butchering Bond Beverages, who actually is, if you've been watching the series, a nice guy. The guy who made that comment, nice guy. He took me kind of shining a light on that in the last video like a champ. So, respect. Overall, once you mix it, kind of doesn't matter. Let's try it again. Try it again here. All right. That's what I'm talking about. Bang! Mojito. Die another day. Halle Berry. Bathing suit. Thanks for watching. I keep saying it at the end of every video I've done so far, but the next one will be from the novel, but it will be a creme de menthe cocktail. More to come on that. Thanks for watching. Quick and painless. Mojito. Catch you in the next one.